I was really part of the scene, but in fact, I carry this team on my back. But not because I'm a dope spitter, get the folk singer, but because I'm a go-getter, getting 4 figures in the phone, chitter, take a bounce with a chick, more bigger, never forfeit, spiritual warrior. Into the parking lot where we used to spark a lot. Back then we would talk a lot about revolution and other things that we had no control of, like how much time my fathers did in prison. And you tell me that my smile was beautiful, I say it isn't, because back then I thought it wasn't. According to my cousin, I was the ugly duckling. But you taught me self-esteem. You made me feel like a queen. You say, girl, you got that good thing. Man, I love his wood game.